Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a shadow into your work project or into your photo in your work project. So as you can see, we managed to add an object or another photo into our background, but as you can see, it doesn't feel right. It's like just printed there in the open, and we want to add some effects, for example shadows, because it makes sense. So if there's a new object and there's a source of light, it will create a shadow. So let's click on the layer where we basically managed to put the laptop, and go to blending options. In the blending options, as you can see, we have no shadow in here, and we want to go all the way down and click on drop shadow. And voila, as you can see, there is the shadow. Now we can basically control the opacity of the whole thing, and also the filling of the shadow. So shadow is still the same, but we are just basically managing the opacity and the fill of the laptop object. Now we can just play with the colors and also with the background. And if we are all satisfied, we click OK. And as you can see, we managed to add a shadow into it. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.